Hello everybody, just wanted to give everyone an update on my orange seed project. Back in June I started to germinate some orange seeds, and I made the first video on placing it into a plastic bag, and then a week later I had opened the bag up and planted some of the seeds, but I didn't make a video on that. But anyway, after I planted them into these cups, I had to go away on a family emergency, so I wasn't maintaining or keeping these properly watered. So they all died except for one. So this is the only one that had grown. So this was since June and starting to flower now. But then 2 weeks ago, actually today is August 11th, to be more precise, it was on July 25th. I started to do it again. I had some more oranges from my mother-in-law and squeezed orange juice out of it, and then saved some of the seeds and put them in here to germinate them. So this is the first time I'm opening it, but I've noticed over the week that this has puffed up a little bit, because prior to or after I put them in here, it was all flat. So I am assuming that it would be the roots that had taken effect. So here they are. Wow, they all turned green as well, and they got stuck. So let's get a better view of it. Let's move it out and zoom it in. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Wow, amazing. Okay, so it looks like it's green as well. So here is a root, and not sure how I'm going to plant these, but I'll figure it out. They all look very similar. Here is another one. It looks like I left it in here too long. I don't want to plant the whole thing, but I may have to just put the whole thing in the soil. But here are some more. Actually, this broke off, so I'll have to sort through these and plant the ones. Oh wow, this all got stuck. Okay, so again, like I said, I'll sort all this out, and I'll pick a few and plant them in these cups here. Oops, oh no. Okay, so I got some to clean up, but I will be back after I plant them in the cups. All right, so I went and chose the seeds, or the ones that have very strong looking roots, and I planted a few, about two or three into each of these cups. Didn't know whether to submerge them all or leave the green part standing, but I noticed that in a couple of these, where the roots had just started to grow out, that the green part is actually the seed. The seed somehow turned green, and unfortunately that was one of the last ones that I had planted. So if I would have known earlier, I would have submerged them all into the soil. But this is what I have here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cups. And this one was the one from previous. And these are the remaining seeds whose roots don't look too sturdy. So these will have to be sacrificed, and for these I will make sure to keep them watered, and we'll track the progress of this. So again, today is August 11th, and we'll see how they progress. And this one here had been I guess germinated back in June, I think it was June 11th. So it's 2 months later, and it looks like this. So maybe in 2 months, all of these will have growth as well. So anyway, that is it for today. Thank you all for watching, and we'll provide an update in a few months.